Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park Aero Modelers Club. We're going to take up the L-39 again. A little windy, but hey, if you wait for the perfect day, you know what they say, you don't fly. We walk out here on the tarmac here, Geotech. We're going mid rates, which for me, mid rates are 75 over 15% expo. We're trying not to fly to the sun. Right, left, down, right, left. All right, motor, mid rates. Motor is on, flying into the wind, and it's a decent wind, so I do not need takeoff flaps.
Gear up.
Running a China Hobby 4000. About 3/4 throttle right now.
Landing flaps, gear down.
Oh yeah, there we go. Now that's the kind of landing I'm looking for. All right, now that's the kind of landing I wanted. So let me go back down here, back to where I normally stand. Okay. All right. I do so love the lights on that plane. Okay, let me move down just a little bit more, get my perspective a little bit better. I love the lights on that plane.
Time remaining 2 minutes. Gear down. Landing flaps.
Oh boy, what a beautiful plane. There we go. That's much better with my perspective. I can tell what I'm doing. That made it. I should have been standing here the whole time. Go back. And folks, use the whole runway. When you got jets, don't do like I do sometimes. Use the whole thing. I learned that lesson bitterly with the A6 Intruder. So we got enough for one more. Do not need takeoff flaps, because I'm going into a nice headwind.
Gear up.
Boy, those lights, man, I love them lights.
Gear down.
Sorry.
Landing flaps. Time remaining 1 minute.
Yeah. Sorry this is such a short flight, folks, but gotta go town, do the dreaded grocery shopping. Now the L-39 here has the same landing gear and the same engine as the Avanti S High Performance. Same exact land, in fact, they're the same class of plane. And I got enough. We're gonna do one more. We're gonna do one more just for you know what and giggles.
30 seconds. Landing flaps. 20 seconds. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
All right, folks, that's gonna have to do it for the day. Sun's going down and we still gotta do some grocery shopping. Ain't that a shame? Well, folks, that's the Freewing L-39. If you like the Avanti S, but you're wanting something that's scale and flies almost as good as the Avanti S, then the L-39 is what you want. All right, folks, well, there you go. That is the Freewing L-39 in the Russian camo. I think it's Russian. No, French camo. Livery. Turn the motor off, and let's go ahead and check and see how much tank juice is, how much gas is left in the tank, as GB Linden likes to say on his website. And I'm using the club's checker because I forgot mine. 28%, so that's an excellent storage rate. Definitely don't want to take it up again. And there you go. That is the Freewing L-39, an absolutely fabulous flying model. And I really didn't do anything for its capabilities. I just flew a couple of pattern flights today. That's all I really did. So, but it's just so windy, I don't dare try anything crazy. All right, y'all have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and them planes. Especially these good-looking jets.